simple exercises for vertigo. This video is for those who experience bouts of vertigo. Here, we'll show you exercises that can help with this condition. By the way, if you're looking for a device to monitor your health at home, check out our online store in the link in the description. Also, we'd be incredibly grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to the channel. Brandt-Daroff Exercises. Sit with your back straight on the edge of a bed or a couch. Turn your head 45 degrees to the left. Lower your torso to the right, keeping your head in the same position. Hold this position for 30 seconds or until the dizziness stops. Slowly return to the starting position. Turn your head back to the center. Stay in this position for another 30 seconds. Repeat the exercise on the other side. The Epley Maneuver. Sit on a bed. Place a pillow so that it's between your shoulder blades when you lie down. Turn your head 45 degrees to the left. Quickly lie down on your back, with your head on the bed, still at a 45-degree angle. Hold for 30 seconds. Turn your head to the right, also at a 45-degree angle relative to your right shoulder. Hold for 30 seconds. Turn your head and body to the right, looking at the floor. Hold for 30 seconds. Slowly sit up, straighten your head, and remain in bed for a few minutes. If the dizziness is coming from your right ear, follow these instructions in reverse. Sit on the bed, turn your head 45 degrees to the left, and so on. The marching in place exercise. If you can't lie down, try performing the exercise while standing near a chair or wall, or ask someone to stay close by. Stand with your hands at your sides. Raise your right knee, then your left knee. Try to lift your knees as high as you comfortably can. March in place 20 times. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear them in the comments. Don't forget to watch our videos, subscribe to our channel, and stay healthy.